Hello, good day to all parents, to all students. Today we're going to discuss the human eye, and I hope all of you have gotten a chance to do the eye exercises. So we're going to talk about the human eye, and we're going to talk about 6 parts of the human eye. Let's start with the black part in the middle of your eye. That is called your pupil. And the function of the pupil, or the job of the pupil, is to let light in. It actually controls how much light is allowed to enter into your eyes. So your pupil gets bigger and sometimes it gets smaller. When you go into a very, very bright place, your pupils get very, very, very small to allow smaller lights to get in. When you go into the dark, your pupil expands, it gets bigger to allow more light to get in. That's your pupil. The second part we're going to talk about is the iris. The iris is what gives you the color of your eye. But it's not just for beauty. The iris actually controls how much your pupil can open or close. So the iris has these little muscles, and when you go into a bright place, like I said before, your pupils get smaller. The iris has those muscles to control the pupil. That's your iris. Number 3, the third part we're going to talk about is your eyelid. Your eyelid is the part that opens and closes when you blink. And that is used to protect your eyes, all right? It keeps your eyes safe, it keeps your eyes moist, and it keeps your eyes clean. So really, every time you blink your eye, you are actually cleaning your eye. That's the eyelid. Number 4, that is the eyelash. Those are little hairs on the tip of your eyelids. And the function or the job of the eyelash is to protect your eyes from small particles like dust or sand. So without your eyelashes, you would have a lot of dust and a lot of crazy funky things in your eyes that would just irritate your eyes. So we need our eyelashes. The 5th thing we'll talk about is the tear duct. The tear duct is that little guy in the corner of your eye, and that controls the flowing of your tears. So when you get upset or when you're overly joyed and you begin to shed tears or cry, it is your tear ducts that are providing the water. And number 6, finally, it's the sclera. That is the white part of your eye. And the job of the sclera is to protect the majority of your eyeballs. So as you can see, a lot of the parts of the eye are there for protection because we know that the eye is one of our most important senses. So make sure you do your eye exercises, make sure you do the worksheet that's provided with this video, and keep your eyes healthy. See you soon, Mr. Robinson.